crossed the Columbia River from Washington to Oregon, then over a golden roller coaster landscape to tour the Pendleton Woolen Mill that might have included an indulgent purchase.
Welcome to Oregon.
This is beautiful. Glad I'm getting here. Junction 37.
Take the next left, then turn left onto Oregon 37 South. In 600 feet, turn left onto Oregon 37 South.
We're doing a big U-turn here. Almost a U-turn. Okay. The road narrows. Wow. It's still beautiful. Wow. It's just gorgeous.
Take the next right onto Cold Springs Road, County 850 Road. Continue on Cold Springs Road for 12 miles.
We be coming in the back way. I'm loving it. Look at that little building. Way up high. Dang. I'm gonna say it's probably not the normal route for people to come into town, but you know what? I'm loving it. It's beautiful to go through this little canyon or valley. There's no traffic. It's a good road. See, I like drives like this that are low stress. These farms are absolutely amazing. The buildings, the vehicles. Whoa, look at the old cars. Oh my God.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Oregon 37 South, Northgate.
I suppose we could take the road in front of us instead. Wow. Wow, what a view. It's breathtaking. I mean, wow, we see for up on me, don't they? They do. Wow, that's a big rodeo place here on the left.
Arrived early for the Pendleton Woolen Mill tour. Sadly, no video allowed, but I will share stills.
Just drew a little bit on it, huh? 40% off over here, yay. Whew. This is, oh, socks. 25% off. Look at these blankets. Oh my God, aren't they delightful? Not doing a blanket, okay?
In 1893, the Pendleton Wool Scouring and Packing Company was established in Oregon, growing later into a textile mill, making trade blankets for Native Americans. The business failed after only a few years, but was reopened in 1909, and within 20 years was producing men's woolen sport shirts in brighter colors than just dull work shirts. During World War II, 1941 to 45, they focused on blankets and fabric for uniforms. In 1949, a line of women's sportswear was introduced, including the popular 49er jacket. In the RV fire, I lost my 49er, inherited from my grandmother, and hoped to replace it. Fortunately, the line is still available, yet in limited yearly colors.
All right, I'm not sure what time it is. We got a really early start this morning. Headed out of Pendleton, south on 395. All right, well, we're on our way on another adventure. Woo-wee.